Hey folks, Luke here at KenGanleyKiaBoardman, and I just wanted to show you a couple things that I love about the Kia Carnival because I own one myself, because I trust the Kia and I love the Kia, and the Kia works for my family. Follow me. I hate to say it, I didn't get the Tuscan number in my car. I really wish I would have. Take a look at how nice this is. You know, kids, they complain. It's all they do. It's the only thing they do. This is just one less thing that they have to complain about. The integrated sunshades. It's the little things. Come back here, I want to show you something. Space in the Kia Carnival? Stupid. What other car can you do that in? I mean, really, seriously. What other car? Your seats. Look how easy this is. Boom. Boom. Look at all the space in the well, Joe. Unbelievable. Now, if you want, you can have one seat up and the other down. You can put a dog crate in there. You could put a box of some kind of box, a big box though, a massive box, and still have 6 passengers in here. I mean, the opportunity is endless. If a regular third row SUV isn't going to cut it, the Carnival will. Look at the space in the well. It just goes forever. These seats here, you can do the slide in them. You feel me? You can slide for days. Hey, this one, modular. See you later. How you doing? See you later. How's it going? Yeah, you guessed it, same thing. We're gonna run a little errand, because that's what you do in a minivan. You run around town. Right now I'm thirsty. I've been showing you guys this car. I need to get something to drink. Kids! Kids! Quiet down! This is a hybrid, okay? You know what that means? It uses regenerative braking to charge the hybrid battery, resulting in, oh, I don't know, over 30 miles to the gallon. So the vibe that you get when you're driving the Carnival, I mean, you could feel it in the air.
It's like a carnival.
It's a carnival until you let those kids out into that field, and then it's like, oh, it's like peace. There's like 77 fucking cup holders in this Carnival. Just a couple final thoughts here. Kia Carnival is a great car. If you want something smaller, we have that. Why would you though? This is perfect. Because you get something smaller, you're gonna regret it. Why am I kicking my feet? I'm just overjoyed because I own one of these. I'm the happiest man alive. Literally. Seriously. Thanks. That's all I got.